happy Thursday. Get your tea, your coffee, your water, your orange juice, your milk, your smoothie, whatever it is that you partake in the morning. So guys, this tea time is it's probably gonna hit home, and it's just probably gonna hurt some people. But right now I'm at the point where I just don't even care anymore. Not that I'm not a good person, because I am. It's just that, guys, stop with the crap. Stop, okay? The police are not gonna stop killing us until we stop killing ourselves. Physically, mentally, spiritually, okay? They're not. Just get over it. They're not. If you act like an animal, what do they do to animals, y'all? Come on, let's just be real here. Fair is fair. What do they do to animals that's out in the woods that are out of control, that's targeting you or running after you or whatever it is they do? They shoot them dead. It's just getting to the point where every day it's just like, you used to be like froze, like, oh my God, but now it's just like a regular thing. I was talking to a kid yesterday, young kid, 18-year-old boy, 18. And his response to some of the other things, like the thing that just happened with, I guess like with George Floyd, he was saying his response was he was doing too much. He was doing too much. And I was letting him know, I never really did watch that because that's a little bit too much for me. I can't take a lot of things like that. And I'm thinking, like, what does he mean? And I guess what he's saying, like, we're doing too much. Like, just do, y'all. I've been pulled over by the police before, okay? I just recently told y'all I got pulled over by the police. But the reason why I was able to walk away and go back and get my stuff is because the way I carried myself. Like, come on. Please, y'all, let's start respect. Everything starts with you. Everything starts with you. That's why I always say love yourself so that you be able to love others. Love yourself, because if you do, you wouldn't be out in the streets fighting another woman with a knife. You just would not be doing that. Y'all, there's a lot of people around me every day, okay, that I know don't like me. They probably would stab me with a knife. They probably want to see me dead. But I'm not going to take it upon myself to hurt them, do anything to them for the police to be called so they can just shoot and kill me. Who does that? Like, we already know what they're out here. But vengeance is mine, says the Lord. Let him take care of it. People, if they making you that angry, stay by yourself, to yourself. If people are making you that angry, you have to act like an animal to get shot dead in the street. So that's my little rant, y'all. That's my little tea time. I mean, thumbs up this video if you don't, if you want, if you don't. Just let me know how y'all feel about that. I'm just so tired of it. I'm just tired of seeing it. I'm tired of hearing it. I'm tired of it. It's just getting redundant, and it just make you shake your head. And until we return back to him as we should, it's gonna get worse and worse. Jeez, like almighty, like it's terrible. It's so terrible, y'all. But you still have to show love, show peace, and have some love in your heart, even though these things are going on. So guys, that is my tea time. I'm well, no, I'm unapologetic, but I'm just saying, like, oh my God, everything starts at home. Like, get it together. Get it together. Get it together. Can't be having these sob stories. My father wasn't there. My mother wasn't there. Oh, this didn't happen for me. There's a lot of us it's not happening for, but we don't go out and take it upon ourselves to just hurt people and just do stuff to people. Stop it, guys. Stop it. Hey, y'all, I'm back. I got a surprise partner in the back seat. You want to say hi? He said no. They said he don't, what did they tell me when I picked him up? That he was tired or something. But I had to, you're not tired? Well, the teacher said that you was a little tired. The lady who brought you out. But huh? And you're not? It's okay. It's okay if you're not. So yeah, guys, I just got off work and had to grab him. I'm about to stop at Aldi's because I bought some, what is this, extra virgin olive oil, and I don't use that anymore. I use the grapeseed oil, so I'm going to take that back and see what kind of fruits they have on sale while I'm in there. And then what else? I'll probably go to the house. I'm going to probably keep him for about an hour or two, and then drop him off. So yeah, olive oil is used for like spaghetti and things like that, and like more high heat stuff is used, like more frying and stuff and sauteing is used. I use grapeseed oil for that, so that's what I mean by that. But I think I just picked it up because I think I was in a hurry or something. I'm not sure, but that's why it's good to take your time so you won't have to. Because if y'all know anything, I ain't gonna lie. Now, one thing it might not seem like she don't like to go back forth to the store. I don't like to have to go back and return anything or be forced to go back to the store. Period. I just don't, because it's a waste of my energy. So yeah. Your nose running, buddy? No. You don't want to say hi to the vlog? Just wave your hand. Just wave your hand. Just wave your hand. Your hand in your pocket? You want to take it out and wave and say hi? Y'all, he said no. So I'll see you guys. I'll see you guys in a little while once I get home. To come back because he says now he wants to say hi. So, huh? He's waving, y'all. I think he had to get out of his feelings for a minute, but all right, we'll see you guys. Showing y'all what he got. You got to stand over here so they can see you. What you got? He got a Lunchable, guys. So we got Lunchable, nacho cheese and salsa with a drink, and I end up buying some blueberries and some more mushrooms.
Yeah, a lot more.
A lot of more mushrooms? Why are you pulling on that? Huh? Why are you pulling on that, dear? Huh? So y'all, in a minute, well, I'm gonna get him his Lunchable. You want me to help you, or you gonna do it yourself? Come over. They can't see you guys. He on the back of the camera looking for y'all. Come here. Y'all, oh my God, I was so upset when I came back. All my harvest in the back that I planted from all the snow we've had. We had more last night too. That it's like soaked, so I had to drain the water off of it. Come over here. Come on. Don't flick that. Come here. This is what he wanted. Come on. And a juice. He got juice. Go ahead and eat. Go ahead. So yeah, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and rinse off my little stuff here, and then I'll probably come back. We'll probably go in there and watch a little TV or something. But it's just a basic, boring day.
Bye.
I'm a baby. Wait a minute. Hold on. Look. I'm a little bit. It's good. Have some water. Wanna go feed? See if you can feed Papa there, okay? Hold on.
What's up? What's that not creeping around the corner for? Yeah? What's up? You wanna come here with me? Come on. Now not creeping around the corner for with the camera. What's wrong with it? Gotta get yourself together. I know, I see you with the camera. Feeding around the corner, following people. What's wrong with it? It's your nana though. That's your nana. What's up, man? Went to school today?
Today is not Friday.
You gotta go to Thursday.
I go to
Man, what you coming in looking all crazy? And maybe get a body with that.
Y'all, look at my bed. Hold on, right here. From all the water.
Yeah.
I had to pour some out, so that's why it looked like that right there. I thought you was gonna. Did you give it to him? Did you give it to him?
Oh my God, book hot down.
Yeah.
You mean what?
Mari, you enjoying yourself? Huh? You enjoying yourself? Are you enjoying yourself? Huh? Y'all, he don't know what to say. He excited. Go ahead. Huh?
I see you.
You say yeah?
Yeah. I see.
You can see. Can you see what you want to say?
I can happy birthday.
Happy birthday to who? Anybody?
You.
He said happy birthday. Happy birthday to anybody out here?
You.
Happy birthday to me?
Yeah.
It's my birthday?
Yeah.
Happy birthday to me! Oh, wait. Happy birthday to Nana. Happy birthday. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, I needed that. You want to say hi? Want to say bye-bye to the vlog? I'm getting ready to take them home, y'all. Now the sun want to come out. It's been gloomy all day. Stop pushing that. Stop pushing that. No, stop pushing it. Stop.
I feel okay.
Stop.
I feel okay.
You said what?
I feel okay.
Don't be saying no okay to me like he crazy. We doing that. We ain't doing that over here. But y'all, he's enjoying the room. Enjoying the room. You are enjoying the room, right? You enjoying your room? Huh?
Why you see me?
They can't see you. You enjoying your room?
Here.
They can see. Look in the mirror. They can see you. Put that pillow down, buddy. All right, y'all. I know this video was like not too much of anything. Stop jumping on there. Stop. Thank you. Now y'all see it full effect what they be doing. But I know this video wasn't much of anything. I will see you guys tomorrow in tomorrow's vlog.
Bye.
And yeah.
Mwah.
Mwah, like he says. Say love yourself
What?
so that you'll be able to love others.
What, Nana?
Huh?
What?
Say love others.
What, Nana?
Love you too. Love others. Love.
Bye.
Bye. Okay. He said bye, y'all. See you tomorrow. Bye, y'all.